Good morning. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kay. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get this day started. So I let my face wash sit on my face for like 30 seconds just so it can do what it's supposed to do. So lately I've been using the CeraVe Renewing Essay Cleanser, and it has really helped my face. It really evened out the tone of my face. So now I can't wait till this bottle is done. I cannot wait till this bottle is done so that I can move on to the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I really want to try it, and I feel like that my skin is in a better stage because I'm gonna try to find a picture and insert it somewhere on the screen. When I first started, my skin was like really dry and like oily at the same time. Like you could just tell that my skin really needed to be exfoliated, but I didn't want to damage my skin barrier more than it already was. So this one really helped me out, and I'm ready to move on to the hydrating one so that I can just focus more on my pores and my hyperpigmentation on my face. But this one right here, 10 out of 10.
Natural disaster. My baby is built around me. Angel be falling, angel be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Want to work curls, or I may recurl it later, and I highly doubt it. I thought, you know what, I'm not going to recurl it. I probably won't.
Taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block on my tape, who's us? And a house of Rosewood, this shit too plush.